This 2016 Grand Design Reflection 323 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 9, leveling jacks, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, DVD player, smoke detector, oven, TV, microwave, TV antenna, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Grand Design Reflection 323 BHS is 10,708 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.